8 laps to go. My time to shine. Oh, it's freaking hard. Oh, I hate when I have to let up. Holy crap, they're 3 wide.
Hold your line, got one outside. All right, you're clear.
That was not a smart idea. Take it easy.
Got one
easy.
inside.
No, dang it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to...
What's up, everybody? We are back with race number 3 at the XFINITY series. We're gonna try to do our best. Auto Club Speedway. We are, I believe, second in points. After the last race, I don't really, it's not surprising to me. First, I think that's the points. No, that was Daytona. And then I don't know what happened. That last race just sucked. The car got really loose and I just go watch it. Anyways, like this video, subscribe, share, comment down below. And let's get into the race. La, la, la. Alright, let's get going. See if we can try to win this one. I'm gonna skip practice. Get right to qualifying.
Go, go, go.
Took it too hard. Way too fast.
Qualifying. Make it count.
Really good. 40. Let's go.
Let's see where that puts us.
9th place. Dang, that was close. That's not spin too fast. But it's okay. Okay. We can do this. Let's try to win this time instead of getting 89. See if I have any bad driving. Starting at the back. Qualifying position. Claims fastest qualifying time.
Coming to the green, driver. Be ready. All right, dig, driver. Got one down low now. All right, clear low. Got one up top. Got one inside.
Oh, that's gonna be like a 5 wide race.
clear down low.
Let's go, Frisco. Look at that bump trap. Into turn 3 and 4.
Still there.
Clear. Is that Jeff Burton?
All clear.
Jeff Burton? Look at
Stay
that.
low.
Oh, Harrison Burton. I don't know if he's related to Jeff.
All right, you're clear. Got a car low now.
Oh no, he's not gonna cross me. That is a good race.
High lane's clear. Clear low, bud.
And I hold him off. Let's go. Let's go. 8 laps to go. My time to shine. Oh, it's freaking hard. Oh, hate when I have to let up. Holy crap, they're 3 wide.
Hold your line. Got one
Oh
outside. All right, you're
God.
clear.
That was not a smart idea. Take it easy.
Got one
easy.
inside.
No, take it.
Clear low.
Oh, that's for the lead. That's for the lead. Got
Clear
it.
high. Clear high. Inside.
No.
All right, you're clear.
We can switch
Hold
the
your
lead
line.
all we
Got
want.
one
But
inside.
I'm going to be leading
Clear
that
low.
last lap. You watch. I got to run on him.
Car outside. Hold your line.
Oh, that was not my... Nope. That...
Still there. All clear. Car outside. Hold your line. Careful, still there.
He takes the high side and gets a big run on him.
Still there.
Dang it. Come on.
Got one inside.
Clear.
All clear. Time to go, driver.
That's what I wanted. I get a good run on him and then I have to back down.
Car high. Careful.
Come on, one, help me.
Looking
help me,
inside
help
now.
me. Get off.
You got room. You're clear.
Caution. Dang it.
Towers called to caution.
Well, if he would have got off me, it wouldn't have happened. Now I'm going to have an enemy. Dang it.
All right, you're coming to the green.
Green light check.
Be
Let's
ready
go.
here. Green's out. Let's go. Looking inside now.
I already know he runs high, so he don't do good when he's down low.
Here to go, driver.
Let's go.
Bottom's free. Use it if you need it.
And I'll hold him off. Come on, he can't get a draft on me. Cannot let him get a draft on me. Come on, guys. I gotta hold him off for one more lap. That was a good lap.
Lap this time by.
Come on. If I can do another lap like that without him getting in front of me, I think I can do it. I think I can do it. He doesn't do good on the down low. Alright, let's go. We got it. We got this. We got this. He cannot draft me. I cannot let him draft me. And I'm pulling away. That draft is what got me before. Oh no 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 no! Hold him off! Hold him off! No!
Great job, driver. Take your flags in the air. It's yours.
Alright, this time I'm gonna do a burnout. That's what I'm talking about. Race number 2 won. That was another close race. And blew up my engine. Oh yeah, blew up my engine doing a burnout. Replay that crap. Holy crap. That was awesome. Might have made it. That was a good battle, honestly. Like, this racing in this XFINITY series is so the battle is good. He kept trying to get me, but I know he won't. See, I don't know what the heck happened here. I literally let up. Oh. Dang. That was awesome. Look at that. Let's watch this one. Not the lead there. I held him off the whole time. Down on the apron and pull off the Alright. I hope you liked that video. Share, comment down below. And let's see if I have any bad comments. Alright, now we're in 7th. We're moving on up. Alright. Wait, we're moving back. I don't know, I can't remember where we were before. Alright, that's a good victory for us. If we keep it that way, we'll be making it to the championship in no time. Like this video, subscribe, share, comment down below. And let's see if we have anything else to say. And if not, this will be the end of the video. And I will see you soon. But let's check and see what we got first. Did anybody see that finish? Holy cow, Diller won it at the line. I'm telling you, that's some freaking awesome racing. I love racing like that because it makes it interesting. Like that video, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.
And down, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to